Hello everyone, let's cook pork bihon recipe. These are the ingredients. Stay tuned and finish the video. First, saute the pork, then wait until it turn into golden brown. Halo-haloin lang para equal ang pagkaluto ng karne. Next is the spices. Sinabay ko na yung garlic and onion. Mikos-mikos lang and let's add 1 cup of water. Timpla ng asin, vitsin, ground pepper, and the oyster sauce. Yun. Then, sunod ang ating bihon. Yun, oh, mikos-mikos lang. Para ma-mix lahat ang ingredients at yung panglasa nilagay natin. Nag-add tayo ng ground pepper and garlic powder. Mix, mix, mix again. And let's add the carrots and the Chinese pichay. Yun, oh. Para maging masarap. Kompleto na ang ating pork bihon and add sesame oil, pandagdag aroma. You know, mix again. And luto na po ang ating special pork bihon. So let's eat. Bihon. Thanks for watching. Follow for more videos. Bye.